Hello students, welcome to another class. This is another interesting video I have prepared for you. So in today's class I am going to show you the respiratory system, especially the structure of lungs very clearly. So to conduct this activity I have collected the lungs of sheep. Okay, let us start the activity. So here you are finding a structure. The structure what you are finding is nothing but the larynx. Larynx is the sound producing organ, you know very well. So the larynx is made by the cartilage bones. So you studied about Adam's apple, I think. So Adam's apple is a nothing but, so now you are finding a bone what I hold with my fingers, that is nothing but the cartilage which is present in the sound producing organ, nothing but the larynx. That is called the Adam's apple because it is protruded out. Okay, right. Now I am cutting the windpipe or trachea to show you the cartilaginous bones, which are semicircular bones present in the windpipe. Okay, so gradually I am opening the windpipe. So now here you are clearly finding the white visible cartilaginous rings which are not completely present like a ring, so they are semicircular rings. These cartilaginous bones are useful to keep open the trachea in the rest position also. Okay, right. Now this windpipe is gradually going to the lungs, the spongy lungs very clearly you can see now. So I am taking you to the lungs, near to the lungs. So this is very important. The trachea is divided into two bronchi. So here clearly you are observing the two bronchi, but in the sheep that is very one important thing is here very clearly you can see one small bronchus is directly entering the lungs. That is very important. Okay, I have shown you. Okay, very clearly you can see. So the trachea is divided into two bronchi, but before entering the lungs one small branch, once again I am showing you, you can see that small branch is directly opened into the lungs, so into this right lung. Okay, right. Now I want to show you the lobes of the right lung. So 1 2 and 3. So but here when I blow the air you can see very clearly 4 lobes. So now they are in the relaxed condition. Now coming to the left lung, in the left lung you can see the 3 lobes. Okay, so wait, and you can see very clearly 3 lobes. So this is the a big lobe, and another one is the second lobe, and also the anterior one is third lobe. So 3 lobes are present. So in the right 4 lobes and in the left 3 lobes. Now I am blowing the air into the lungs. Now you can very clearly observe the lobes. Okay, right. So you can see here first I am starting with the left. So in the left lobe already some bubbles you are finding. So clearly you can see the 3 lobes. Okay, so 3 lobes you are finding. Now I will turn to the right side. So in the right side you can observe 4 lobes very clearly. Very clearly you are observing the 4 lobes. And now you see the location of the heart. This is called mediastinum, where the place present in between two lungs, the mediastinum. So thus clearly the heart is located in between the lungs. Okay. Okay students, I think you have clearly seen the larynx, trachea and bronchi and right lung, left lung and their lobes. I think you enjoyed this video a lot. So if you like this video, share to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you students, and share this information to your friends what you enjoyed a lot, I think. Okay.